Great. So we were evaluating all the angel networks in India before we were looking to raise funds, and we found that in the last couple of years, IPV has built a great name for themselves, right? Specifically, what we have seen is that the startups which have raised money through IPV has raised multiple rounds post that, right? And the feedback I got from speaking to these founders was that at early stage that we are at, a fund IPV can add a lot of value to our company, right? Specifically because it has a great network of CXOs, right, which are investors, and these are the investors who have gone through the grind themselves, right? And they understand the challenges and pain points for an early stage startup, and we believe that that network, that experience, can really help us initially in understanding what not to do rather than what to do, right? So that we felt was a big value add for us, and that's why we thought we chose IPV over other angel networks because of just the number of value adds they were bringing to the table with respect to other angel networks, which actually have a lot of difficulty in coordinating a lot of factors. And another point that we really got feedback was that IPV has a multiple angels, but the call is to execute, say, power of attorney. So they have the power of attorney from all the investors to take decisions fast as a single entity, which was a big value add for us. Since to take future decisions, we feel that a single point approval is key. So that's the reason we chose IPV. I think first of all, we had a great experience while raising funds. Right, I think the entire team is very professional and works with passion. Right, and they have a great in-depth knowledge on how to evaluate startups, which really helped us to understand how the due diligence process works. And for our future round, it's a great knowledge that like we know now what the venture capital will evaluate us, right, in the future, which is for our first round we had no knowledge about it, right? So that, I think, the entire process of due diligence was, I think, a big learning experience for us, right? And IPV's due diligence is one of the most stringent diligence in India, and that I think is the major USP of IPV that we had, because we have just raised, right? And I think that elevated confidence as well as a company, right? So I think that's the major USP that we have witnessed, because we just raised funds couple of not even 2 weeks back. I think now we are. I think since IPV brings the network, right, and the team, which has great knowledge about the market, right, and entire growth journey of companies like us. I think we are confident that in the future they will support us in our growth journey, right? Not just in terms of funds, but also in terms of guidance. And what we have noticed is that IPV team is very proactive, right? I can just pick a call and call them, and they're always available, right? And I think the resolution to everything they give within a couple of hours. I think the proactiveness of IPV team is phenomenal, and for a startup like us, it's very important that decisions are made very proactively, and that's, I think, is the biggest value add we are seeing till now during the interaction we had and the experience we had in the IPV team. So we are confident that as we go ahead and scale our startup, the team will be there for us, with us, and we'll grow together.